So Jerry and I are heading to the package room because my new fuzzy purse arrived. We're super excited to pick it up. Thank you. Jerry and I went to go get the package from our mailroom, and we have a twin address in our subdivision, so it went to their house. So we have the package now. We have recovered it. This is what it looks like when it gets shipped from Calyse. It's pretty cool, really pretty little package. And we are going to open this. I had to get reinforcements. So there's this little thank you card with some information about how the product is sustainable and friendly to the environment. And then, of course, a business card. You can refer some friends. There is a care guide that tells you how to take care of the handbag. Mine has a crossbody option, so here is the strap, and it's pretty cool. It is formerly from a pair of reins. And now, here is the bag. This one is called the Saint. It is absolutely adorable. You can see the designer's logo is on the back. Here we have fleece from a halter. This is a stirrup leather, and these pieces are made from a saddle. It is absolutely a stunning bag. So let's take a closer look at the bag. Isn't that adorable? It's so cute. It does have a latch on the front, and when she ships it, she does include some nice filler so that the bag does not get crushed during shipping. I'll just remove that. And then you can see that there's plenty of room in the bag for a wallet, a little bit of lip gloss, your mobile phone, whatever you need to go out and celebrate after a wonderful day of showing, whether you are going to Saturday Night Lights at WEF or going to see the Grand Prix in the stadium at WEC, or even if you're at Tryon or any local show. This is really the perfect bag to join you on an outing with your barn mates to go and celebrate a wonderful day. Here's a closer look at the bag, and you can see the sheepskin halter fleece, stirrup leather, and then of course this is all saddle leather. And it is really just beautiful. Got a little bit of wear because this is from a real saddle. And then, as I mentioned, here is the logo, and it is just adorable. Now that you've seen it, if you're anything like me, you're probably going to want to get one of these for yourself. So here is the information for the designer, and you can find her. I found her on Facebook, actually. This bag kept popping up on my Facebook page over and over and over again until I finally just caved and bought it. And I'm so glad I did. It is absolutely beautiful.